How do I set the hold temperature on my Nest thermostat?
Hello there. Today we are going to guide you through setting the hold temperature on your Nest thermostat. This tutorial will help you adjust your Nest thermostat to a fixed temperature for extended periods, providing you with comfortable and controlled climate in your home.
What is a hold temperature?
First things first, let's clarify what a hold temperature is. Essentially, this is the temperature that you hold or set your thermostat to maintain for a certain period of time. This is particularly useful if you want your house to be at a certain temperature for a prolonged period, regardless of schedule settings.
Accessing your Nest thermostat.
Moving on, let's go to the Nest thermostat itself. Start by waking up your Nest thermostat by standing in front of it or touching the ring around the outside.
Setting the hold temperature.
Now, let's get to the process of setting the hold temperature. 1. Rotate the outer ring to navigate through different options until you reach temperature. 2. Press the thermostat unit to select this option. 3. Once again, rotate the outer ring to adjust the temperature to your desired level. 4. When you've set your desired temperature, press the unit to select it. Remember, this will hold your selected temperature until the next scheduled change, or until you change it manually.
Override a schedule for hold temperature.
Sometimes, you might want to keep the hold temperature for a longer period, even overriding the preset schedule. Here's how you do that. 1. On the main screen, select the schedule option by rotating the outer ring. 2. Press the unit to select it. 3. Navigate to the hold temperature option and press the unit to select it. 4. Now, rotate the outer ring to set the time period for which you want to hold the temperature. Press the unit to select this. Remember, this will override any existing schedule for the time period selected. And there you have it. Now you know how to set the hold temperature on your Nest thermostat. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your smart home devices. Enjoy your ideal room temperature and the comfort of your home with your Nest thermostat.